Hello, fellow artists. Today, I am going to teach you how to draw a school bus. All right, let's get started. To draw our school bus today, we're going to have our paper horizontal. And we're going to start here. We're going to draw a line up. And then we're going to curve and go across. Once you have that done, we're going to curve back down. I'm going to stop about right there. And we're going to go back over here. And we're going to curve up slightly. And we're going to go back down. This is the basic outline of our school bus. Then we're going to take this line back in like this. And then we're going to curve like you're drawing a half circle down. And then we're going to go across here. And we're going to draw another half circle. And we're going to connect right there, here. So we're going to start about here and do a straight line down, straight line across. We're going to curve down slightly. And then we're going to connect it here. So there's your window on the school bus. And then let's do the door. I'm going to start next to this tire here. Draw a straight line up, across, and back down. Then I'm going to draw a line in the middle, like that. Then I'm going to draw 4 little windows, so 4 little rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the 4 rectangles. Now I am going to draw some windows. So I'm going to have about the same size as that one right in the front window. So we'll probably do about 3 of these. 1, 2, and here's our third one. Now I'm going to draw 2 lines here. 1, 2. It's got our doors, front window, and our 3 windows in the back. Now I'm going to write school bus right here. SCHOOLBUS. School bus. Now let's draw the light in front. So I'm going to do a curved line there. And now I'm going to finish the tire. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to draw a curved line up. Then I'm going to finish the tire over here. Curved line, just copy what you did before. Now I'm going to draw a circle in the middle of both tires. And I'm going to draw a dot here, a dot there. Now I'm going to draw for the bumper here. I'm just going to do a little square there. And I'm going to draw a bumper here, a little bit longer. And now I'm going to add right there on this window. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, and to make it seem like it's going, I'm going to draw some lines here. Like that. It's going down the road. Then maybe a little smoke here. That. And there's your school bus. All right, now it's time to color. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. For more drawing videos like this, you can go to my channel. Bye!